How to play games in full screen on Android. Now, if your games are not opening in the full screen and it's showing bezels, there might be a fix in your settings. Just simply open your settings app and then go over this display option at very first. And now after coming to display, you just simply need to scroll down until you find this option of camera cut out. Tap there, and after coming in this section, you can check what type of screen mode your game show while opening the games. Just simply select this show camera cutout mode after finding your game app from here. Select your game. For example, let me select Clash of Clans. Now in here, if you have selected auto mode or hide camera cutout mode, just simply select this show camera cutout mode, and then your games will be played in the full screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.